I'm Teresa from class 4A. Today I'm gonna make watermelon lemonade. I'm gonna show you the main first ingredient, which is watermelon. As you can see, I have chopped the watermelon into triangular pieces and I have chopped a lot of them. Then you have to take off the seeds from it. Then you have to take a bowl, and as you can see, I have chopped these watermelon pieces into small cubes like this. For the next ingredient, I have a lemon. But I'm not going to use the full lemon. I'm going to use the half of it. In this bowl, I have taken the juice from the half lemon. For the next ingredient is chia seeds. This chia seeds is full of protein and it can be used for juices, smoothies, yogurt, etc. So here, as you can see, I have taken a bowl full of water and I have put some chia seeds in it. And you can also see that the chia seeds have grown a bit because I have kept it for 15 to 20 minutes. For the next ingredient, I have this bottle full of lime squash. Let's start making this watermelon lemonade. So I'm gonna take the blender, and first you have to put this full watermelon into this blender. So I have put the full watermelon into this. My bowl is empty. For the next, I have to put this lemon juice which I had taken. Now I'm gonna add this lime juice and lime squash. Only a little bit for a little bit taste. I need to put a little bit more. Okay, that's enough. Now I'm gonna blend it. I have blended everything together and the juice tastes very good. Now let's pour the juice into the glass. Before putting the juice into the glass, I'm going to put some ice cubes in it. Okay, that's enough. Now I'm going to put some watermelons for crunch. That's it. Now I'm gonna pour the juice. Okay. Now I'm gonna put some chia seeds, which I kept for 15 to 20 minutes. A little bit more, then I'm gonna mix it. Only for the taste, I'm gonna mix it. Now I'm gonna put some mint leaves for taste, like that. And I have this watermelon cut into middle cut for garnish. And that's it. Thank you. This drink is very delicious for summer.